What's up, guys? We're back with another video, and for those that don't know, my mom just gave birth. We just got a new family member to my little sister, and I just want to thank God for coming, making everything a success. I'm gonna go ahead before I start this video, show y'all a little something that we're doing, and this video is gonna be for the OTM, preparing it and everything. So we're gonna go ahead and show y'all before we head out and go camp out for the OTM and be there. So, sí me gusta que estés trabajando.
Déjame en paz, mijito. ¿Te vas a llevar a Giovanni a Johnny?
No.
Please, it's on me. I tried.
Alright guys, so like I said, this video is going to be pretty much getting ready for OTM. So right now we're going to go ahead and put some stuff up that we're taking, and then we're going to meet up with some friends from the crew, and then from there we're going to get everything together, and then we're going to roll out. So whenever we get there to his house, we'll catch you there. Guys, so for OTM, we're going to use his truck. We're going to go ahead and put ice, beer, and have everything on here. And it's gonna be something a little different from everybody else. Everybody's just gonna take a shitload of coolers and shit. So we don't need food. So this is gonna be our cooler for the day. Hey, ¿cuántos 24 packs? Oh,
de aquí nomás son estos, todavía falta.
So right here is 8. It's gonna be 18. Todavía falta plus what everybody else is taking. We're gonna go to Buc-ee's. ¿Todavía?
Yeah, fill it up with ice and shit.
So let's go outside. Let's go. Some chelas. Un pinche house tour aquí de la casa de estos puñetones. House tour de estos puñetones. Oh, andan precios. ¿Qué? Smirnoff para el compa Jared, que es, que es puto. Mira, papi. Mira. Hoy sí, ahí va a haber lo que era.
You got bottles too, eh? Mira, 2 more.
You gonna put this here too?
No problem.
So that's gonna go on the personal one?
Yeah.
Deme boy, mira, andamos resupa.
Hey, man. No, falta homeboy que venga.
You want me to get the ones in the fridge?
What is Julio taking? Yeah, for the fridge ones. Hazle un cambio aquí, güey. La fridge ya está abierta.
Vives para morirte y al perder la vida no hay devoluciones. Y con mi prioridad, mi madre que no falte, jamás supo negar, hermanos queridos, querían desde la historia. Mira lo que traigo el agua en mis rocas.
Ahora sí, fueron los tipos de la verga. O para conectar sistemas. Para el snap, tenemos que ponerlo. Alright guys, so we just pulled up right here, we're in the line, so right now the car is palo and just waiting till everything goes on and happens. So. Aquí tenemos al Max, dale, dale. Andan recios. La pinche cerveza y el agua nomás, mira. ¿Cuánta agua traen? Mira, cerveza. guys, we just pulled up right here to our spot. We're gonna go ahead and wait for the whole crew to come because we have different chapters and there's Dallas people and everybody coming. So make sure before we get started, make sure you like this video, give it a comment down below, subscribe, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you right now.
We out here, boy. About time, well, no sleep, but books come out.
Ya empezando tempranito. And that was clean, huh? Hey, aquí estuvieras al ladito de ella. A empezar tempranito. A ver, güey. Voy, anda recio, anda recio.
The heat usually fixes it.
Estoy down, ¿no?
Bloquear y comer y todo el pedo.
¡Anda recio, anda recio!
Ahí está bien.
Hey, I know how we do it, baby. Just trucking, I know how we do it, baby. Come on. Yes, sir. We got a lot more to go, baby. Yeah, man, boy. So right now we're halfway through the day, guys, and after like in an hour or two, we're gonna go ahead and go to Freddy LSX and Static Leo and all of them. So then whenever we get there, we'll go ahead and catch her right now. So we'll catch her right now. Ya estamos recording.
Puro yo saquen aquí a la verga. Un saludo para acá, para el camarada que está teniendo su bebé ahora. Que no quiso venir, es por su bien, no lo dejan.
¡Hey! ¿Es Mandy o qué, güey?
Mandy es poco.
I give you beer. It's nice.
Alright guys, so right now it's time to go over there with Freddy LSX, Static Leo, all of them right there. Get a little quick shout out. Just let them know who we are, you feel me? So let's go.
What? You can keep yourself where you at.
We out here, bro. OTM 2020. My nigga, DaCrewCabLife. We out here, smell them up in this thing. Yes, sir. All day. Every day,
We got my boy Static Leo right here. We're gonna go
outside, we outside.
on YouTube.
DaCrewCabLife. Shout out to the DaCrewCabLife.
Sir, come on, let's go. ¿Dónde estás, pinche Freddy? Déjate mamadas, güey. Look at that fucking giveaway here. Let's go, man. Cinematics, right? Cinematics. Take good videos, man.
Show him in the back, show him in the back.
Mira el compa David.
We got the Hallmark. He's chilling or whatever. He's taking a little nap.